Hello, today we are making delicious, colorful chicken skewers. First, let's prepare the marinade. In a large bowl, add the lemon juice, orange juice, soy sauce, pepper, ground ginger, grated garlic, olive oil, and honey. Mix well. In a container, place the chicken pieces along with half of the sauce. Place in the fridge and let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now let's make the chicken skewers. I am using wooden skewers that I soaked in water for 30 minutes so they don't burn. Let's arrange the skewers. I am adding green bell pepper pieces, red bell pepper, a piece of chicken, pineapple, then red pepper, and so on. Make it as colorful as you want. Heat your grilling pan, then brush it with some olive oil. Grill the skewers on all sides until the chicken is done. While grilling, brush the skewers with the sauce to keep them moist and increase their flavor. Serve immediately. Delicious! Bon appétit!